Hello, my name is Alex Martinov, and today I will show you how to use a new feature in Microsoft Teams, Breakout Rooms. All right, so the new feature, Breakout Rooms, if you go on top and click the Breakout Rooms here, you'll be able to create automatic rooms and manual rooms. So manual, if you want to drag them manually, automatically Microsoft Teams will create rooms for you. So let's just create 3 rooms, and I'll assign people automatically. Let's create 3 rooms. And by the way, you can rename rooms as well. If you just click 3 dots opposite to room, you can rename the room. Let's just keep it as a standard for now. So we have 4 people in each room. And if you click the collapse button, in case you need to reassign the person to another room, just tick the box opposite to the name and click assign, and then pick the room, and it will be moved automatically. So rooms, they do not start until you hit the start rooms button here. But just before we do it, let me just show you a few extra settings which you can do with the rooms. So opposite to breakout rooms, link on top, if you click 3 dots, you have an option to recreate rooms in case you would like to start from the beginning. Let's say you want 4 rooms rather than 3 rooms. And inside room settings, what you can also do, and this is a new feature, participants can return to the main meeting rather than just to sit in your room. You can switch back, and so I'll stick it as yes, so we can save the settings. So let me just start this rooms, and it will be automatically assigned to you. So off we go. Okay, so this is a speaker view. I can join the room, clicking the 3 dots opposite to the room name, and just click join. I can close the room to bring the people back, and I can also send a message. So let's say if I want to make an announcement to a specific on specific topic, I just click the make an announcement opposite to the breakout rooms, and I'll say session will be closed in 10 minutes. Be ready to present your slides. Send. Okay, so let's join room number 1. All right, so if you can share your screen now, Megan, and let's have a look. What options do we have? So if you want to go back to the main room, you just hit the return button on your right top corner, and then it will bring you to the main room. Okay, I'm gonna close all rooms now, so all participants can be bring back here. All right, I just I just closed the rooms, so we all are back here. Thanks for watching, guys. Speak soon. Bye for now.